Huh? You want to go up? Okay. Cool.
What are those crazy bastards doing, huh? I'd like to put him in something different.